Hello everyone, my name is Mary Osborne and I'm a member of the Board of Directors for the Buchanan Center for the Arts. In this tutorial, I'll explain how to participate in this year's virtual Taste of the Arts on Facebook Live, Saturday, November 14th at 7 p.m. If you're on the BCA's homepage, click on Special Events in the menu at the top of the screen. Now click on the cornucopia. Click on this link, which will take you to the BCA's Facebook page for the event. Click on the discussion tab, which is currently highlighted in gray because I'm hovering over it with my cursor. And now you'll see the feed of recent activity. This contains all of the items which are currently available for auction. And now I'll explain how to bid on an item and then make payment. Above each photograph of the item up for auction, you will see a description of the item, the minimum amount needed to make a bid, the individual, business, or organization that donated the item, and the special buy it now price. This is an option that we're making available only until Friday, November 13th at 5 p.m. It's similar to an option that's available on some eBay auctions. So if you don't want to participate in the auction itself and you simply want to purchase this item, you can for a set price. In this case, it's $75. Now I'll explain how to place a bid. Below each item is a comment tab. Click on that comment tab, type in your name, colon, and then the bid that you wish to make, the dollar amount. Or if you wish to buy the item now, indicate that by typing in buy it now, hit enter, and your bid is entered. To make a payment, you can send in your contribution to the Buchanan Center or you can pay online. Go back to the BCA's website, click on the donate tab. This is on the home page. Now click on the yellow donate button. Enter in the dollar amount. You can either pay with PayPal or you can pay with a debit or credit card. Complete the information required and click Donate Now. There, your payment's made. It's that simple. If you're participating in the auction, auction winners will be notified at the end of the Facebook Live event on Saturday, November 14th. The BCA staff will contact you to make arrangements for payment and pickup of your item or items. Remember, all proceeds go to funding the arts programming at the BCA and in our community through matching grants received from the Illinois Arts Council. Please consider participating in this year's Taste of the Arts auction. We need your support to continue to create artistic, cultural experiences for today, tomorrow, and a healthy future. Take care, and I'll see you on Saturday.